Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. I finally escaped the paycheck to paycheck cycle. I'll never forget the feeling. That specific, heart-sinking dread of opening my banking app 3 days before payday. I'd just hold my breath, stare at the screen, and see a number that was impossibly low. For years, I was trapped in this cycle of constant, grinding financial anxiety. My paycheck would land, and poof, it felt like it evaporated within days. I was working hard, making decent money, but I had no idea where it was all going. It honestly felt like I was running a race I could never, ever win. And you know what's crazy? It's not just me. Depending on the survey you look at, more than half of all Americans are living paycheck to paycheck. We're talking millions of people, from all walks of life, who are one flat tire or one surprise medical bill away from a total financial meltdown. That stress? It was a constant hum in the background of my life. It messed with my sleep, my happiness, my focus. I felt like I was failing at being an adult. Then, after years of just spinning my wheels, I found a technique that changed everything. It's called the waterfall method, and it didn't just help me budget. It built a system that put my money on autopilot, taking the guesswork, the willpower, and the anxiety completely out of the equation. Before I found this, believe me, I tried it all. I downloaded every budgeting app that promised to make saving easy. I spent hours building these gorgeous, color-coded spreadsheets that I'd use for a week and a half before giving up. I read all the articles telling me to just cut back on lattes, as if my morning coffee was the one thing standing between me and financial freedom. Spoilers, it wasn't. Nothing stuck. Every attempt felt like a punishment, like a financial diet that was doomed from the start because it demanded perfect discipline, 100% of the time. Who has that? The truth is, I was just exhausted. I was tired of the mental gymnastics, trying to remember what bill was due when, constantly shuffling money around, and that awful feeling of saying no to things, not because I wanted to, but because I honestly didn't know if I could afford it. I felt completely out of control. It wasn't an income problem, it was a direction problem. The money would hit my account, and it was a total free-for-all. Bills, groceries, subscriptions, and that shiny thing I saw on Instagram were all fighting for the same cash. The loudest or the most tempting thing always won, leaving nothing for what I actually wanted in the long run. My breakthrough came when I stopped seeing budgeting as a cage and started seeing it as a roadmap. That's the whole idea behind the waterfall method. Picture your income not as a stagnant pool of money, but as a powerful stream at the top of a mountain. The waterfall method is just about carving a deliberate path for that stream to follow. The water flows into the first basin, fills it up completely, and only then does the overflow spill into the next one, and so on, all the way down. That simple picture changed everything for me. It wasn't about willpower anymore, it was about structure. The decisions were already made ahead of time. My money had a job and a to-do list, and it got to work before I ever had a chance to spend it on something I'd regret. It's a system where every dollar is given a task, in order of importance. Moving from that emotional, in-the-moment spending to an automatic, logical system was the key that finally unlocked the door to my financial prison cell. So, how do you actually build this thing? It's way simpler than it sounds, and I'm going to walk you through the exact steps. We're going to give your money a clear path that makes sure your needs are met, your debts are getting crushed, and your future is being built, all before you spend a single dime on once. First things first, you gotta know how much water is in your stream. This is your total take-home pay for the month. Not your big, flashy salary number, but the actual amount that lands in your bank account after taxes. If your income changes month to month, you can either take an average of the last few months or, even better, use your lowest earning month as your baseline. That way, you've got a buffer built right in. This number is your reservoir at the very top of the waterfall. Before a single dollar goes anywhere else, it flows into the most important basin, your basic survival needs. You might have heard these called the four walls: housing, utilities, transportation, and food. This is your rent or mortgage, your light bill, the gas to get to work, and your groceries. These are the non-negotiables. Your waterfall guarantees that this basin is filled to the brim before any other expense even gets a look. Once your four walls are safe and sound, the overflow cascades down to the next target: high-interest debt. We're talking credit cards, personal loans, anything with a double-digit interest rate that's just eating your money alive each month. This is where the waterfall gets its power. You're not just making minimum payments anymore. You're taking all the overflow from the first step and throwing it at this debt. This is basically the debt avalanche method, where you hammer the highest interest debt first to save the most money in the long run. Plus, watching that credit card balance plummet is a massive psychological win. It builds momentum. Once you're out of high-interest debt, or if you don't have any, congrats, the overflow from your four walls comes here instead. Your emergency fund is the wall that officially separates you from the paycheck to paycheck life. This is the buffer that saves you when life happens. The first goal is a starter fund of $1,000 or $2,000. That's enough to cover a small emergency without reaching for a credit card and sliding backward. Once that's full, you just let the overflow keep cascading in until you have 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses saved up. This is your fortress of financial peace. And hey, if you're finding this helpful and you're ready to start building your own path to freedom, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and makes sure you don't miss what's next. Okay, only after your needs are met and your emergency fund is solid does the water flow into the fun stuff: wealth creation. This is where your money finally starts working for you. The first stop should always be capturing your employer's match in a 401k. It's literally free money. Don't leave it on the table. After that, the overflow can cascade into a Roth IRA, other investments, or what are called sinking funds. Sinking funds are just mini savings accounts for specific, known expenses coming down the pike. A down payment on a car, a vacation, new furniture, holiday gifts. This way, when the time comes, the money is just sitting there waiting. No stress. And finally, we reach the bottom. Whatever money is left after filling all those other basins in order, that's what spills into your splash pool. This is your discretionary, 100% guilt-free spending money. Use it for anything you want. Dinner with friends, a new video game, a hobby, go for it. And the best part? You can spend it with zero anxiety, because you know for a fact that your bills are paid, your debt is going down, and your savings are growing. This was never about deprivation, it was always about prioritization. The first month I tried this, I just focused on the first 2 steps. I made sure my 4 walls were covered, and I dumped the entire overflow, which was about $200 I didn't even know I had, straight onto my biggest credit card. The next month, I did it again. By month 3, something wild happened. For the first time in my adult life, I had a buffer of several $100s in my checking account after every single bill was paid. I can't even describe the feeling. It was like a weight I didn't even know I was carrying was just gone. I stopped being afraid to look at my bank balance. When a friend invited me out, I could look at my splash pool and say, yes, with confidence, not anxiety. Within 6 months, I paid off a credit card completely and had a fully funded $1,000 emergency fund. I was making the exact same amount of money, but by giving it a plan, I felt like I'd gotten a massive raise. The real change wasn't just in my bank account, it was in my head. I finally had peace of mind. I was in control. Going from financial anxiety to financial confidence is completely possible for you, too. The waterfall method isn't magic, and it's not some complicated product. It's just a simple, logical way to tell your money where to go, so you don't have to. It's about building a system that serves your priorities on autopilot. Let's recap, real quick. Your income starts at the top. It flows first to your four walls, your essential needs. The overflow cascades to high-interest debt. Then, it fills your emergency fund. From there, it flows to investments and future goals. And whatever is left at the very end? That's your guilt-free spending money. I don't get that sinking feeling in my stomach before payday anymore. That constant, low-level buzz of money stress has been replaced by a quiet confidence. I know where my money is going, and I know it's working for me. You don't have to be a math whiz or a budgeting guru to do this. You just have to be willing to carve the path for your money one time, and then let the system do the heavy lifting for you. Thanks so much for watching. If this resonated with you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on taking back control of your financial life. Now I want to hear from you. Down in the comments, let me know. What's the first bond you're excited to fill in your own financial waterfall? Are you going to finally build that emergency fund, or are you ready to attack a credit card? Let me know below. Let's do this together. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, like, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.